start.
Okay, guys. Now, guys, today we'll take the lesson of on page 47, customary measurements units. All of you open this lesson, guys, and take a look to the table in front of you. You will have a table in front of you in this page. In this page, guys, you will have a table in front of you. Table something like this. Now, before I start, I have hands here. Assam, remove your hand. Ibrahim.
Yes,
Ibrahim.
mister.
Yes, Ibrahim. What,
Yes.
mister? You put your hand, mister.
Sorry, I was putting.
Ibrahim, don't waste my time, Habibi. You put your hand. What you want? I just start. Do you have a questions? Oh my God. Fine. Okay, guys. Now, this table, guys, here, we have the units. You took these units before. Feet, yard, mile, ounces, pounds, quarters, gallon. Now, guys, these units, we'll turn between them in this lesson. Today, we'll turn from this larger units here to the smaller units here. This means I'll turn the yard to feet, mile to feet, pound to ounces, ton to pounds, pen to cups. So I will turn from large to smaller, from larger to smaller, not from smaller to larger. The feet is larger than the inch. The yard is larger than the feet. The mile is larger than the feet. The pound is larger than the ounce, and go on. So what we'll do here, guys, we'll turn from these parts here, from these units, to the other units, from left to right. Tomorrow, we'll turn from smaller to the opposite direction, from smaller to the larger unit. Okay, guys? Now look here, guys. I wrote a note for you. If we want to turn from larger units to smaller units, we what? We multiply. Again, if we want to turn from larger units to smaller units, we multiply. We multiply. Now, I want to ask a question here, guys. I want to ask a question. If you go to the supermarket and you want to buy pencils, Now, if one pencil, the cost of one pencil is 2 riyals. If the cost of one pencil is 2 riyals, if you want to buy 7 pencils, what you will pay? What you will pay? Again, if one pencil, the cost of it is 2 riyals. But if you want to buy 7 pencils, what you will pay for the owner? You do this every day, guys, right? Nidal. Nidal. Where are you, Nidal? Nidal, I think I remove you by mistake. Hope you enter again. Okay. Guys, anyone see Nidal here? Oh my God. Hey. Yes, Nidal, you are here, right? Okay. Yeah, I saw you. Okay. Okay, guys. Who can tell me, Nidal, you are here?
Yes.
Good, I see you. I thought that I removed you by mistake. But if one pencil, the cost of it 2 riyal. If you want to buy 7 pencils, Nidal, how much you will pay?
14.
14. How you get the 14?
Because if you buy one with 2 riyals, so 7 multiply 2 equals 14.
So you what? You multiply, right? 7 with 2. 7 with 2. We will do this idea, guys. We'll do this idea in our lesson here. If you want to turn from larger to smaller, I will multiply. Now look at the board, guys. Look at the board. If I want to turn from feet to inches, for example, if I want to turn 2 feet How much in inches? Who can tell me? 2 feet, how much in inches? And if you see here, the table said 1 foot equal 2 inches. Who can turn 2 feet to inches, guys? What we will do? If 1 feet equal 12 inches, if 1 foot equal 12 inches, how many 2 feet here? Who can tell? What we will do? Omar Muhammad. Omar. يا عمر لو تحكي. عمر. I don't know يا عمر شو اللي بصير. طيب. عمرو الدسوقي.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عم. Here I have in the table 1 foot equal 12 inches. But if you have 2 feet, how many inches?
It will be 24 inches.
24. What you did to get the 24?
2 multiply 12.
So I will multiply 2 with 12. That's why I said, guys, if I want to turn it from larger to smaller, we what, guys? We multiply. So here 2 multiply 12, which is 24 inches. But if I want to turn, for example, how much 5 gallons in quarters. Now you go to the table and search the relationship between gallon and quarters. You find it at the end here. See it? At the end, guys, 1 gallon equal 4 quarters. Who can tell me 5 gallons in quarters? How much? 5 gallons in a quarter, how much? Yalla, who can tell? Abd al-Sattar. Are you with me, Abd al-Sattar? Abd al-Sattar.
Yes.
Yalla, Abd al-Sattar.
Yes.
Raise up your voice, mister. I can't hear you.
Okay, okay. Can you hear me?
Talk.
Hello, Mister.
If 1 gallon equal 4 quarters, how much 5 gallons in a quarter should be?
5 multiplied by 4.
Mister, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
Mister, can you hear me?
Sorry, I cannot hear you, Abdul Sattar. Please check your mic or your headset, whatever. Omar Samir.
Yes,
Omar
mister.
Samir? Yes, Omar.
20.
20. How you get the 20?
5 multiply 4.
I turn it from gallon. 1 gallon equal 4. But 5 gallon, 5 multiply 4. So here I multiply 5 by 4, which is 20 quarters. Now, let's take these examples. They are not in your book. If you want to write it, you can write them in extra paper or on math copy book. It's up to you. Now, let's take these examples, guys, here and solve them. Again and again, I want to turn from left to right, means from larger to smaller, we multiply. Now, who can help me with the first one, guys, here? If I want to turn yard to feet, I have 5 yards. I want them in feet. How many 5 yards in feet? What I will do, guys, I will do this for you. To solve this, guys, please pay attention here. If I want to turn from yard to feet, I will go to the table and search about direct relationship between yard and feet, which is the second one here. We have direct relationship between yard and feet. Each 1 yard equals 3 feet. But if we have 5 yards, we multiply 5 with a 3, which is 15 feet. 15 feet. So the first step, guys, in turning between units, you will use the table and search about direct relationship. Direct relationship means foot to inch. This is direct relationship. Yard to feet, direct relationship. Mile to feet, direct relationship. Okay? Besides each other. But who can help me with the second one? I want to turn it from pounds. LP means pounds, guys. LB means pounds, pound. I want to turn it from pound to ounces. Who can turn for me from pound to ounces? Who can help? Okay, I'll check. Iyad.
Yes,
Iyad.
mister.
Yalla, Iyad. I want to turn from pounds to ounces. What we will do?
We will do 2 multiply 16.
2 multiply 16. Now, guys, we will go to the table, this table in front of you, and search about direct relationship between pounds and ounces. And I have here direct relationship between pounds and ounces. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. But 2 pounds, as Amr said, or Iyad, sorry, 2 multiply 16, which is
32.
32 ounces. It's easy one. But who can help me in turning the gallon to quarters? The gallon to quarters, guys. Najm. Najm.
Yes, mister.
Yeah. I want to turn 6 gallon to be quarters. What I will do?
We will multiply 6 multiply 4.
Good boy. So Najm went to the table and he found this one direct relationship between gallon and the quarter. So he multiplied 6 with 4.
4.
6 multiplied 4 is
24.
24 quarters. So if I have gallon to quarter, we multiply with 4. 6 gallons equal 24 quarters. Stop. In the first 3 examples, guys, I found always direct relationship. But what if I don't have direct relationship? What I will do? For example, the first one here, guys, and please, guys, leave everything and focus with me here. This is the second idea. Now, if I want to turn, for example, from a quarter to fluid ounces, FLOZ, we call it fluid ounces. If I want to turn it from a quarter to fluid ounces, and if I go to the table, there is no direct relationship between a quarter and fluid ounces. See, the quarter here, the fluid ounces here, so I cannot use a direct relationship. In this case, what I will do, guys, I will use, we call it the zigzag way. The zigzag way. So I will turn the quarter to pint, then the pint to cups, then I get from the cups to what? To my wanted unit here, fluid ounces. So again, here I want to turn a quarter to fluid ounces. There is no direct relationship between a quarter and fluid ounces. So what I will do, I'll use the table. I will turn it from a quarter to pint, then pint to cups, then cup to fluid ounces. So first, guys, I'll turn the quarter to what? I cannot turn directly between them, like the first one here. So I will turn the quarter to pint. But if 1 quarter equal 2 pint, how much 4 quarters will be? 4 quarters in pence should be 4 multiply 2, which is 8 pence. Now, did I get my fluid ounces? No, not yet. Now I'll turn from the pint to what? To cups. Cups. C means cups. So if I have 8 pint, turn it to cups, I'll multiply with 2. 8 times 2, 16 cups. Now I'll turn from cups to what? To my wanted one here. From cups to ounces. But if 1 cup equal 8, 16 cups equals what? I multiply 16 with 8 on by side here. 16 by 8, I multiply, I think 128, let me check. 8 by 6, 48. Then a 12, it is 128 fluid ounces. So, what I did here, guys, and please focus with me, please. Please focus here. Here, I want to turn it from a quarter to fluid ounces. There is no direct relationship like the first 3. So what I did, I will go to the quarter, turn it to pence, then pence to cups, then cups to fluid ounces, and all by multiply. Why all by multiply? Because I'm turning from larger to smaller always. Now 4 quarters equal 8 pence. The 8 pence equals 16 cups. Then I turn the cups to fluid ounces. I multiply 16 with 8. The answer 128. So the 4 quarters equal 128 what? Fluid ounces. Hope you understand it. These two have the same idea. Who can help me in turning the miles to inches? The miles Look here, the miles to what? To inches. There is no direct relationship. Who can help me in this one? Huh? يلا ينال فادي.
Yes, mister.
يلا ينال. I want to turn it from mile to inches. Do I have direct relationship between
No,
miles and inches?
no.
No. What I will do? Can you tell me? Good. يلا. Mile to what first?
Mile to feet.
Mile to feet. There is no S, Mr. Feet only. Mile to feet. Then
Then feet to yard.
no. Look here. First you turn from mile to feet, right?
Yes.
You want to get the inches, right?
Yes.
But do you have direct between feet to inch?
No.
Yes, you have. The first one, see it?
Yeah.
So I'll turn from miles to feet. Then direct, we can skip this one. Then direct from feet to what? To inch. Because I want to get the inches. That's what I want. Get it, Yanal?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's turn from miles to feet first. 1 mile equal this number in feet. But 2 miles, what I will do?
2 multiply.
This number, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
5,208.
yeah. I will multiply here. 2 multiply 5280.
Yes.
Let's multiply 0, 6, 1, 5, 10. This is the number. 10,560. Hi, 10,560 ish feet.
Feet.
I didn't get the inch. I'll put feet. Now, can I turn from feet to inch to get my answer? Yes. The first one give me a relation between feet to inch. Now 1 foot equal 12 inch. But how many this number in feet we will multiply with?
12.
12. So here I'll multiply this number by 12 to get my answer. So let's multiply here, guys. I have 10560 multiplied by 12. 2 digits with 5. You took that in grade 5 and 4. So let's multiply 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2 by 0, 0. 2 by 6, 12. 2, 1 down. 2 by 5, 10. With 1, 11. 2 by 0, 0. With 1, 1. 2 by 1, 2. Now we put 0 here. 1 by 0, 0. 1 by 6, 6. 5, 0, 1. Then you add. You know that. This is 0, 2, 7, 6, 2, 1. So this is my answer. 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 0. Let's read this number. 126,720 what?
Inches.
Inch. So I'll put my answer in my space. 126, 720 inch. So 2 miles equal this number in inches. So who can help me at the third one here? From gallon, I want to turn to cups. From gallon to cups. But guys, I will stop now. Just remove your hands if you don't have any questions, please. Remove your hands if you don't have any questions. Before I continue, I need to receive questions if you don't understand. No questions. Oh my God. Abdulillah.
مستر
Yes.
أنا دخلت شوي متأخر على الحصة فما
It's your problem, mister. It's your problem. Do not enter late. I have 24 students. I cannot stop and do it for one. Look, in summary, mister, this is the last time, guys. Do not enter late. Here we have a table. To turn it from larger to smaller, we multiply. So if I want to turn it from yard to feet, we multiply with a 3. If I want to turn it from pounds to ounces, we multiply with 16. This table exists in your page 47. You can use it. Okay, Abdullah? Now, this lesson will be recorded and will be on the Classera this night. So you can watch it again to see what you miss. Okay, mister?
أوكي.
Thank you so much. Now focus with us here because we will do a lot of examples more so you will understand more. Now, who guys can help me from gallon to cups here? Who can help? Yalla. Yusuf Hamza.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Yusuf. Can you help me how to turn it from gallon to cups here? You
Yes,
use
I
the
can.
table. Yalla.
So can I see the table first? The table, you
Mister,
mister. See.
I want to turn it from gallon to cups. What I will do, how I will use the table, can you tell me?
You'll do the zigzag method.
Yeah, from gallon to
From
quarter,
gallon to quarts,
then
and quarts to
pint,
and pint
then
to
to
cups.
cups. Yeah, أول شيء from gallon to quarter. 6 gallons, how many in quarters?
24.
يعني عليه. So 6 gallon guys equal 24 ish quarter. طب now I want to turn it from a quarter to pint. What I will do?
You multiply the quarts with 2 because
Yeah, 24 multiply to
48.
yeah, this is equal 48 what?
48 pence.
Pence. 48 pence. Sorry, 48 pence. طب did I get the cups or not yet?
No,
Not yet. طب I want to turn the pence to cups. What I will do?
multiply by 2
38 by 2
is 96.
is 96. Is 96. 96 what guys? Cups.
96
So
cups.
the gallon, 6 gallon equals how many cups? 96 cups. 96 cups. And here guys, it's important to write these units. Why it's important to write the units, guys? So you won't be lost. You won't be confused. You know where are you? Here from gallon to quarter. Now from quarter to pint. Then from pint to cup, I get my answer. So write your units here in your steps so you can manage your solution. You won't be lost or confused or misunderstand. Now, hope you understand these examples, guys. Now let's go to the book. These examples are not in the book, and we'll do, no, before the book, guys, who can help me in this one? 6
Me.
pence, I want to turn it to fluid ounce. Yalla, another student. Another student, Mr. Koshak. Koshak, where are you?
Here, mister.
Yalla. How I turn from pence to fluid ounce using the table. Guys, take a look to the table. I cannot go there. I'm tired. You.
With the zigzag way.
Yell.
First 6 pint equal 6 pint equals 12 cups.
So I will turn it from pint to cups. Then from cups to what?
Fluid ounce.
To fluid ounces, which is my wanted unit here. But 6 pence. Yell, I 6 pence. 6 pence. How many in what? In cups?
Cups.
Come.
2. So it will be 12.
12. 12 what? Cups. But did I get my wanted here?
No.
Yeah. Now I will turn from cups to fluid ounce. What I will do?
I will multiply by 8.
Yalla, 12 by 8.
96.
If you multiply
Fluid
12 by 8, guys, you get 96. So my answer here is what? 96. طيب, now I finished my extra examples here. Let's go to the book and do the examples of the book, guys. We are on page 49. I want someone to read the example in page 49, guys. Omar, are you with me? Omar? Right. I want someone to read, guys, example page 49, sorry. Yalla, Ibrahim, Dimasi, read.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, example 1, page 49, guys. All of you open in this example. Example 1, page 49. Yalla.
Okay.
We are here. Read. Ruh. Marco.
Marco needs to mix 1/2 gallons of
Hello.
fertilizer
Yalla.
with some soil before planting his tulip bubbles.
Tamam. Yalla. How many
cups of fertilizer should Marco use?
So we'll turn the 1/2 gallon to be what? Talk with me, mister.
Yes, mister.
We want to turn the gallon to be what?
Cups.
It's from the question. The question gave us the gallon and he asked how many cups. So I want to turn half gallon to be what?
Cups.
Cups. Stop. Let's go to the table. Do I have direct relationship between gallon and cups?
No.
No. So I will turn the gallon to tenth, to quarter, then a quarter to tenth, then tenth to cups. Okay? Now to turn it from gallon to quarter, I will multiply with what?
With 4.
Yeah, let's do it, guys. Half gallon. We multiply the half with 4. This 4. To turn it to what first? Quarter. Half multiply 4. Remember the fractions? We took it. Half multiply 4. This is over 1. We multiply 4 over 2, which is
2.
So half gallon equals 2 a quarter. I turn from gallon to quarter. Now I want to turn it from a quarter to tenth. I multiply with what?
2.
It's 2. So 2 multiply 2, 4 tenth. Did I get the cups or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Now I want to turn the tenth to be what?
Cups.
Yeah. 4 multiply 2, 8 cups. So my answer is what?
8.
My answer is 8. My answer is 8. So here, 8, the half gallon, 8 cups. Half gallon, 8 cups. Now, this is my answer, guys. This is my way of solving. Now, let's go to the book and see how the book solved it. See, this is the example, guys. And he has a lot of table here. And go to the other page. Page 50, I think. Look, guys, until he get the answer. Look, what's the answer, guys? What's the answer? Sorry, here. What's the answer, guys?
8.
8. So I summarize all of these steps, and here too, using this way. This way is easier and get your answer direct and Rahim. Hope you understand it. But I want to do the check. Page 51. Who can help me in the check, guys? Page 51. The check, page 51. Yanal Karnawi. Yalla. Yanal.
Yes.
Read, Yanal.
Okay.
Read, Yanal.
How many ounces are in 1/4 pound?
Look here, guys. The Yanal said, how many ounces in 1/4 pounds? How many ounces in 1/4 pounds? Okay. Look how I will write it. Tamam. Now you can solve it under the check. You have a space. You can solve it in it. Now, do we have direct relationship between pounds and ounces? Let's check. Yes, I do. Yes, we do. I have direct relationship between pounds and what? And ounces. So what I'll do, guys, I'll multiply direct with 16. So here, 1/4 multiplied by 16 equals. Now multiply normally, guys. This is over 1 and multiply up, multiply down. You will get 16 over 4, which is 4 ounces. How we do multiply? We took this in grade 5. I didn't here, guys, I didn't do a long way like this one because I have direct relationship between the pounds and the ounces. So no need, multiply direct. Here, I do my zigzag way, backward, so to get my answer. Now, if I'm in your place, guys, I'll write this in example 1 beside it, and I will copy this for the check, so you understand our idea here. Copy. Now your homework, guys, your homework, page
55.
Page 55, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Copy this example and this check, guys, so you understand the idea. And this your homework, do it for me today and send it in Classera. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll stay in the same lesson. But tomorrow, what we will do, guys, we'll go from smaller to larger. Look here, guys, from larger to smaller, we multiply. But from smaller to larger tomorrow, inshallah, we will divide. We will divide. This is your lesson for today. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. You can send your questions in the Coursera. Thank you so much, Mr. Isam. You can stop the recording. And